This is a fun recipe to make. It's my easy mini spinach lasagna roll-ups. You can start by gathering all your ingredients, and then you're going to chop and mince the garlic. What you want to do is, if you have a garlic press at home, you can use that to mince up your garlic. And you're going to combine it in a pan with the olive oil and start to brown your meat. While that is going on, you're going to boil the noodles and rinse them under cold water and let them dry between 2 paper towels. Next, you're going to gather all the ingredients for the cheese mixture. And you can see here how I'm combining everything. I add a lot of spinach. It's my favorite part, and it comes out really well with a lot of spinach. Next, you're going to spread the cheese mixture on top of the noodles, and you're going to add 1 layer of cheese, 1 layer of the meat mixture, and then you're going to roll them up, stack them up in your pan, and be sure that you put some sauce underneath the roll-up so they don't stick. Next, you're going to add mozzarella and add it to the top of your rolls and extra sauce if you'd like. Bake it for 375 degrees for about 40 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and how you desire. So this is it. Hope you enjoy it, and please leave me a comment how you like it.